Time for some Wednesday birthdays, and Maddie Westerhold. Oh, Maddie. We're big enough to admit when we've made a mistake. We misspelled your name yesterday, and that can ruin a birthday. So we want to get it right this time and celebrate your birthday the right way. So Maddie Westerhold and Sheldon, another happy birthday from us as you celebrate number 5.
All right, also turning 5 years old, this little cutie, Emmeline Blackburn in Pittsburgh. Birthday love coming from Grandma.
And we've got Ellie Lampy celebrating birthday number 6 in La Harpe. Happy birthday, Ellie.
All right, out in Liberal, Missouri, Cameron Burchett celebrating birthday number 11 this year.
And also celebrating number 11 is Ryder Murphy in Seneca with love from Mom, Dad, Roman, Renly, Raylan, and Nanny. Happy birthday.
All right, and we've got Jameis Stevenson celebrating birthday number 13. Welcome to the teenage years. Out in Next City with love from Mom and Dad.
And we've got Alicia Fritz celebrating birthday number 26 in Nevada with love from Mom number 2. And we also have Skylar Fritz celebrating birthday number 6. He's the guy on the left, also in Nevada with love from Mom.
All right. And we've got Pam Millard celebrating the big 5-0 today. Hope you have a wonderful birthday out in Sarcoxie.
And our list goes on with Kim Mosberg in Pittsburgh celebrating a birthday, as well as Nancy Bryant turning number 72 in Chanute. Happy birthday to all of you. Let's continue to celebrate. How do they continue to celebrate, Tanya?
All you have to do is send your birthdays to KOAMNewsNow.com. Don't forget the S on that email.
Absolutely.
Birthdays.
You want to make sure it comes through. We want to get your birthday. And hey, while you're on our website, because you can also submit them through our website too, you should sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some awesome deals from local businesses, and I think more importantly, you get a happy birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So go to KOAMNewsNow.com and you sign up for that birthday club today.